friends, welcome to thecoopte.com. In this video, I am going to unbox a Amazon Firestick 2019 model. This Firestick is a media streamer that lets you watch Amazon Prime videos like Netflix, Prime Videos, Amazon Prime Music. You can install more apps and games to get more content. So let's get unbox this. Here you can see a Fire TV stick with Alexa voice remote, and these are the Prime videos you can watch in the. And here we have a specifications. On right side it has Alexa voice remote and it supports up to 1080 pixel, and we have Dolby audio, and it has quad core processor and our inbuilt Wi-Fi. These are all the details. So let's get unbox it. They are providing some guides of Amazon Firestick. It shows how to set up this completely, and a one warranty card. And here we have a power micro USB cable. Here we have the Amazon batteries with 1.5 output, and it shows the Amazon basics. So here we have the power adapter. And finally we have the Amazon Firestick with Amazon logo and a micro USB power point and a HDMI port. And finally we have the Alexa voice remote. And here we have the home button, volume buttons and a mic button. These are the buttons they are providing on Alexa voice remote. On back we have the battery slots. Place the battery and power on the Alexa voice remote. Here we have the HDMI extender, which you can connect Amazon Firestick to it. Power on Firestick by connecting the micro USB cable. And finally these are the items which I got in Amazon Firestick box. If you like this video, please like, share and comment, and subscribe to thecoopte.com.